In this video, car tire wear patterns explained, so don't forget to view all video to get full knowledge about it, and we have a tip at the end of the video, so let's begin. Understanding tire wear helps you spot problems early and stay safe on the road. Here are the most common wear patterns. 1. Center wear. Cause: over-inflated tires. Effect: wears out the middle faster than the edges. Fix: lower tire pressure to manufacturer specification. 2. Edge wear, shoulder wear. Cause: under-inflated tires. Effect: wears out both outer edges. Fix: inflate tires to proper PSI. 3. One-sided wear, camber wear. Cause: misaligned wheels or worn suspension. Effect: one side of the tire wears faster. Fix: get a wheel alignment. 4. Cupping, scalloping. Cause: bad shocks or suspension issues. Effect: patchy, uneven dips around the tire. Fix: inspect and replace suspension components. 5. Feathering. Cause: incorrect toe alignment. Effect: tread feels smooth in one direction, sharp in the other. Fix: wheel alignment needed. 6. Flat spotting. Cause: hard braking or car sitting too long. Effect: flat area on tire. Fix: avoid harsh braking, move car if parked long. Tip: rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles and check air pressure monthly. So my brothers and sisters, subscribe our channel. If you don't subscribe now, definitely you subscribe another day, because in this channel we share best contents related to automotives, so subscribe now.